Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you can reach the remote machine and that you have the right credentials. Once done, open your remote desktop client, MSDSC on Windows. Connect using the remote IP or hostname and supply credentials. Make sure local resources are enabled so you can copy language packs or installers easily. If group policy restricts installs, plan to use an admin account. Begin the session now. We'll change the display and input languages inside the remote desktop environment. Once connected, go to Settings, then Time and Language and Open Language. Add the language you need, then download and install its language pack. This changes menus and system text. Next, install the keyboard layout under the same panel and set it as the default input. This ensures typed text uses the new language. If you need regional formats, update region settings too. Make sure download's complete before signing out, because some display changes require a sign out or restart to apply. Finish by signing out or restarting the remote system so the new display language and keyboard take effect. This often resolves lingering UI text in the old language. If the language didn't apply, make sure the language pack shows as installed for your user account and check region settings. For stubborn cases, run Windows Update, re-download the language pack, and confirm group policy or company policies aren't locking system language. If all else fails, escalate to the remote admin with screenshots and error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.